Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friend. My topic today is the role of the youth in my nation building. My name is Teacher Cholasak Kunjai, and I am really happy to be here today. Young people are the future of every nation. We may be young, but we can make a big difference. We can study with more action every day. For example, we can study hard, help others, and follow school rules. These simple things help build a better society. Young people can also protect the environment. We can save water, save energy, and plant trees. Our action today will make the world better tomorrow. We should be kind and respectful to everyone. When we speak kindness, people feel happy. So our community becomes stronger and more peaceful. Young people can be leader too. A good leader is honestly possible and helpful. If we practice these qualities, we can inspire others. We every great change start with one person, so why not start with us? We are young today, but we are the leader of tomorrow. Let us learn, grow, and do good things every day. Together, we can create positive change and build a better nation. Thank you for listening.